This is the elevator 2 to the retail shops and leasing office at the one on Center Apartments in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Unlike the main elevators here, which are Schindler 5500, this one's just a Schindler 330A. Black. This was installed in March 2018, or at least that's what the interlock date is. So 2018 sometime. Newest 330A I've ever ridden, I believe, up to 2. I've been to this elevator several times and it hasn't entered service. Now it finally has. Whoa. Here 2. Disappointed this isn't a 3100 or a 3300, but at least the main elevator is 5500. Motion activated. Lights will go back down to 1. Fairly stiff buttons. Different fire service key. ADA phone. Basic black laminate cab. Different cab from the main elevator here. I guess 330 can't have that cab or something. Here, back at 1. I remember the machine room was open for this one. It was still under construction when stuff like graphics still hadn't under service. I believe this is a public elevator. Of course, it's not. I think there's like on the emergency power limit doors here.